Hey y'all, today we are going to talk about 5 drugstore palettes that I think you need for summer and spring. So spring, I really like the pinks and purples, and neutrals are always in, let's get real. But I don't know, for some reason pinks and purples seem to be really in right now, and not like overdone pinks and purples, more so of like really soft, muted pinks and purples. So let's get into talking about these. If you are new here, I want to tell you quickly that we use all natural lighting on my channel. I don't want you guys to see colors differently. I want all of these shadows to be true to color. So if you are interested, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and let's hop in. Okay, so the first palette I'm going to talk about is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. And I pulled this little baby out and it just works so well. You do have to build on the purple, but it's really good, you guys. This is the Maybelline City Mini palette in Blushed Avenue. It's one of their smaller palettes. Looks like so. You just have beautiful pinks and purples. I'm sorry, that is my microwave beeping because, you know, we're stuck in the house. So cup of noodles it is. If you're looking for these colors, I think this is a great option at the drugstore. Now we're going to talk about another Maybelline palette. This reminds me a lot of the City Mini palettes formula-wise, but honestly, I think this formula is even better. It is so good. This is the Maybelline Nudes of New York. It's a nude palette. You do have a pop of purple in there, but overall, it's just really neutral, and I think you could use this for spring and summer perfectly. You can get this at Walmart. It's just that good. I mean, this palette really stands, sorry guys, my camera cut off, but this palette really does stand up to a lot of my higher end palettes. It is a little bit powdery, but the pigment is there, and these are so blendable. This one I highly, highly recommend, you guys. If you're in the market for a neutral palette, this is your gal. I raved about this palette for so long, and I still love it. I still use it. This is the BH Cosmetics Hangin' in Hawaii palette. I mean, this is like spring in a palette. Like these 2 rows, spring. I absolutely love it. These peachy colors, you have pinks. It's just beautiful. This formula is absolutely amazing. I have no complaints with this formula. It's beautiful. Now, in the Maybelline palettes, the shimmers are just that. They're shimmers. They're not metallics. These bad boys are flat out metallics. They will knock your socks off. I love this palette. This one and one of the others that I'm going to talk about are my top 2 for sure. But hold that thought. Let's get on to the next one. This is the NYX Modern Dreamer palette. I like this one better than the other one that I had tried, the other big NYX palette. But you pretty well have everything in here that you're gonna need for spring and summer. Yellows, oranges, pinks, purples, blue, green. I mean, it's literally everything. I really like this formula. I think it's the best NYX formula that I have tried personally, and I've tried a lot. But this is way better. I still don't think, this piece of hair right here is getting on my last nerve. I'm so sorry. I still don't think this compares, in my opinion, to like the BH Cosmetics formula or the other one I'm going to talk about. But this is a good palette. You have a lot of selection in here. And I do recommend it, but like I said, is it the greatest? No. It's not the most pigmented, it's not the most blendable, but if you like these colors, you can make this work, and I really do like this palette. Sorry, I had to take a break to eat. These are the cup noodles stir fry Korean barbecue flavor. And I like the texture of the noodle, which I love noodles, not gonna lie. But I'm not sure if I love this flavor or if I hate this flavor. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure about it, you guys. I'm not sure. That's a to be continued because I don't know. Kind of has a weird texture. I don't know. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's get back to the video, shall we? Our next one is, did you guys feel this one coming? It's the LA Girl Pro Mastery Eyeshadow Palette. This one has these beautiful muted pinks, purples. I absolutely love this. The shimmers in here are metallics. They are boom in your face. They're beautiful. I'm not going to swatch this one because I have a surprise for you guys. I'm going to be giving this palette away. LA Girl was nice enough to send me the PR package with both of the palettes in here. Ugh, it's a big one. So I want to give back. I do have this palette and this is an amazing palette. So thank you to LA Girl for that too. But this is an amazing palette and I want you guys to try it. So like I said, beautiful, beautiful pinks and purples in here. You have some neutrals. It's just a gorgeous palette that works beautifully. If I had to number these for you guys, this would be my number 5. Like I said, it is good, but it's not great. And then we would go with the City Mini palette. The rest of these are really good, but like I said, I'm gonna number them. So this is number 4. This one is really good. You do have to build a little bit and it is a bit powdery, but still beautiful. Then we will go with the Nudes of New York. Beautiful, stunning, love this one. But these two just beat it. Both of these, I guess I would have to say this one's number 2 just because it is a little bit older. I don't use it as much. And then this one's number 1 also because of the shades in here. It literally just screams spring to me. So if you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is tell me what you are currently doing during this quarantine. Of course, you're chilling at home, but are you doing anything different, anything special? Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and that's it, you guys. So I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you guys are staying calm during this time. I know at the beginning of this, my anxiety was absolutely through the roof, and I've really calmed it down. I know going fishing, beautiful weather, being out in the sun, being on the lake, doing something I enjoy really calmed my head a lot. So I hope you guys can go out, take a walk. I hope your weather is nice. Thank goodness this weekend it's supposed to be about 70. So at least we can be outside doing something. But yeah, again, I hope you guys are all doing well. I will have all of these listed down below. I know a few of you have asked for me to do that, so I will definitely start doing that. But yeah, if you have any requests for any videos, anything like that, please leave them down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.